Tom's fodder area. He has barley, bird seed, sunflower seeds. He soaks them in the bottom one, and then he drains them and then puts them in these other trays. And then he has to water them several times a day. But these are for the chickens. They love fodder, and when they get about this tall, or a little taller, you feed them to the chickens.
Didn't come around to do that.
And there's another tray of it over here. And we've been feeding the chickens that much. We just take a little bit and give to each of the
Lizard.
chickens. There's a little Florida lizard. And this is Tom's plants he's got started.
Tomatoes, lettuce, cabbage, cucumbers, watermelon, muskmelon.
Yard long beans, I know you got those.
Over here, let's see.
But yeah, they're all coming up pretty much. So this is in our greenhouse. And he's got some more coming over here. And get back a little far back shot. And that's his setup right there. So that's it.
Got a couple
And
strawberries
he's
up
got
there.
a heat lamp for the cold nights to help his
Keep
temperature from freezing in here and killing off his plants. And outside, and this is all, he's got black cow in the van. I haven't unloaded it yet, but that's his potting mixes and stuff. And this is what, strawberries?
Yeah, I brought 2 of them in and left 2 of them out.
And these, even in the bucket, strawberries?
Yes.
These are all strawberries. Brought them in because they're cold. And
I
then
brought 2 of them in and leaving 2 of them out.
he took 2 in and leaving 2 out, he said. And over here, I ordered some Texas Legend onions sets to plant.
See,
And
that's still wet, Carol.
that's
you
about the size they came.
See, you dig down here and that's...
And then on this side, there's bulbs. I bought regular onion bulbs from the feed store on this side. So we're going to start some potatoes in buckets.
Then I got some...
I got everything we need.
Blueberries and raspberries
And
over there started.
over there, some blueberry and raspberries he's got going.
And right behind you is a row of...
And this is some transplanted asparagus.
it won't come up till next spring.
It probably won't come up till next spring, he says. So, those got really tall last year. And that's it. That's his greenhouse. He put that shade cloth on because the wind was blowing the panels off of it. But it's still working in there. Everything's growing. So that's a good sign. And, oh, I wanted to show you the pavers that the landscape around the plants that we took out. Oh, let me walk around. There's the broken ones. And look at all of those. Look at all those. We took all those out.
I know.
Mostly Tom. I probably took maybe 100 myself.
Over on this side too.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a bunch over here too. Took all them out. That was a job. Yeah, just 100 I took was a job.
Out too.
These are ones that broke trying to get them out of the ground. But, yeah, it's a big yard we have. Can't see it all, but it's big. Pretty nice.
Here's this is a blueberry I bought from, or blackberry that I bought from last year.
Blackberry.
And here's a little new one.
From the blackberry.
Yeah, and then that's a, I don't know.
Raspberry or...
Raspberry or...
Yeah, it's probably raspberry. I think that's what I bought.
Or it could be,
I don't think I bought grape. I bought blackberry and raspberry.
Grapevine over here, I don't know. still alive.
Is there?
Along that fence, there's
Oh,
a
there's a
grapevine.
grapevine there if it comes back to life.
I don't know if it's
Over
dead
there.
or
Yeah,
lots of work to do
a
out
lot
there.
going.
This one,
Dixondale Farms. That's why I ordered these Texas Legends onions. DixondaleFarms.com. I remember now. Okay. Talk to you later.